If you are planning to buy GohighLevel, then this is the perfect time for you. During this holiday season, GohighLevel is offering a flat 50% discount on every plan. Whether you are a new customer or an existing one, you'll be able to take benefit of this discount. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page, where you'll see the holiday offer. If you check the plans here, you will see that there is a 50% discount offer going on right now, and you'll be able to save 50% for the first 3 months of any GohighLevel plan. Now, you only need to choose a plan that you want to continue with. Next, enter your details, such as your name, your email, etc. Next, you can go to step 2, where you need to choose a plan, and then enter your card details. Then you only need to make the payments. And just like this, you'll be able to get the latest GohighLevel discount. I have given a link to the offer page in the video description. You can access the offer directly using that link. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.